Hi and welcome to the Time Machine for Android app demo. In this video, I'm going to show you why the Time Machine for Android application is going to radically simplify the way you work with time zones, and why it might be the only world clock style application you will ever need, saving your time and making it even fun to work with time zones. The Time Machine is a simple to use Android app which allows you to easily answer the question, what time is it in one location when it is, for example, 5 PM in another location? This comes in really handy when, let's say, you live in LA, but you want to attend a webinar which is held at 5 PM New York time. Or you want to call somebody at 8 AM Paris time. Of course, there are plenty of world clock applications available that give you the current local time anywhere across the globe. However, with such world clocks, you're still on your own if you need a time other than the current time. You surely went through the exercise of adding or subtracting hours to work out when that webinar would start in terms of your local time. Have you made it to the webinar? Or have you woken up that person in Paris? Or have you been late? Time Machine relieves you of all of these worries. So let's get started and have a look at the Time Machine app. Unlike other world clock applications, the Time Machine goes a step further. It allows you to enter a specific time for one location, and the app automatically calculates the equivalent time for a second location of your choice. Here we're looking at the main screen of the Time Machine app. Let's say you live in Melbourne, Australia, where the current time is 5:13 PM, but you want to attend a webinar at 5 PM New York time. Simply click on the button next to the time and untick the box that says Use Current Time. Now the app allows you to change the time to whatever you like. In our case, we're choosing 5 PM. Say OK. And now the app tells you that 5 PM in New York is 7 AM the next day in Melbourne. Also notice how the app warns you that this is a user-specified time, so you know that you're not looking at the current time right now. Of course, you can always change back to the current time. Simply click on the button again and tick the box Use Current Time. Say OK. Now the display is back to the current time, which is 3:14 AM in New York and 5:14 PM in Melbourne. Now let's have a look at how you can change the location in the Time Machine. Let's say you want to change the location from New York to Paris. In that case, simply click on the far right button next to the location you want to change. Then in the country chooser, scroll all the way till you find the country you want. In our case, we select France. The app is already suggesting Paris as a location, so we say OK. It is telling us that it's currently 9:39 AM in Paris. We want to change this to 8 AM. So we do exactly what we did before. We untick the box that says Use Current Time, so we can enter the new time we want, which is 8 AM. We say OK, and now the app is telling us that it's 8 AM in Paris when it's 4 PM in Melbourne. The Time Machine is also map integrated, to make it easy for you to find a not so well-known location. If you have a more exotic location, like for example Libreville in Gabon, simply click on the button next to the location, and the Time Machine will display it on the map, together with its local time. So, putting all this together, the Time Machine app takes away all the hassle and calculations, and makes it easy and fun for you to work with time zones. And you know what is even better? Time Machine is available all for free. Thanks for stopping by to watch this app demo for the Time Machine. I hope you enjoyed watching it. You can download the Time Machine from Android Market for free by pausing this video now and either scan the QR code or enter the link that you see on the whiteboard. Unless you're already on Android Market, you should also find this link in the description underneath this video. I hope you will enjoy the Time Machine, and see you next time.